We are live. Yes, sir. Oh, it was a nice pump to get out, and I didn't. RKT. Oh well. It is what it is. It do be like that sometimes, though. It do be like that sometimes, though. Alright, let's see if Neo could do it now. $27.45. Yo, what is good, everybody? Just gonna be doing power hour charting and all that. I'm actually gonna be using some flow to see where the volume's at. And I'll go from there looking for one last trade of the day. Still in RKT with a small stop at 0.25. I should have got out up here though, if I'm being honest. That was the exit to get out at. But we'll see what she does right here, right at the support. Anyways, going into the flow. Getting into the flow. There we go. And seeing what happens from here. We'll go from here. Speakers, yes sir. And make sure the audio is good. Chilling. Chilling. Well, it doesn't look like we have any flow going on yet, so we'll just kick back for a bit. It's fucking cold. This is literally what the day consists of as a trader. Just going to do a quick educational breakdown for those who are watching, which turns out to be 3 of you, or 5, 4 or 5. So for those who are watching this, enjoy. This is how I break up my trading session for the day. I start off, it has 3 parts. The first part being the green highlighted area, the first hour to hour and a half of the trading day, once that bell does ring. Now, for this first hour to hour and a half, what this day consists of right here, this time of the day, what makes this relevant is going to be the fact that this is our volatility phase. This is where we will get the most volume during the day to trade. This is where we will get the most momentum. So if you're a day trader, you have a busy schedule, this is going to be your spot. Coming next is the red area. This is from the, I want to say it is from 8 a.m. Pacific time to 11 a.m. Pacific time as well. So that's 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern time, I believe. And this is what we call the red area. Well, I like to call it the gray area, but it's red just for a better analogy. Can't really do gray, can I? Doesn't appear so. Alright, that'll do. This is what we like to call the gray area, at least I do. This is where our stock trades sideways and we have the least amount of volume during the day. So you can see right here that we start trading this range from 8 a.m. all the way up to about 10 a.m. And then that final hour we break out into a new range and start trading in there. Now comes our popular time of the day. At 11 a.m. to closing market, 2 hours. In these last 2 hours of the trading day, you have power hour from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. aka 3 p.m. East to 4 p.m. East. Before that, in the first hour and a half, you have your breakout and decision for the day. So right here, it looks like we are breaking out for more up room on Neo. Right here, we are breaking into a pattern breaking out of the pattern right here. It kind of looks like we're squeezing out of a little small miniature pennant here. And then we'll probably see some more upside around the last final hour, or maybe from here all the way to power hour. Who knows? This is where our volume decides to step back in, as you can see right here. And this is where our pattern breakouts happen and our reversals. Literally switch to any stock and you'll see it happening right there. I'm going to start bouncing off there. Da, 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 da. HD, we're probably going to end up breaking out this falling wedge. If I wanted to do beyond, probably getting the reversal right here for the breakout of the falling wedge. Could get that nice trade out right there from this pattern. And then you have, of course, your beginning of the day, the most volatility you could ever get up until 8 o'clock. And then you get some crazy ass weird shit like that you really can't trade. Amazon has been one I told everybody in the morning to watch just because of the way it opened with that heavy buying pressure. Fastly was one as well. Shop was one with news as well. With TikTok, hasn't really made any movement though, considering it's been in a range all day. Catching up with SPY really quick. Haven't really had any decision. We've been making that pre-market low, but we've been struggling a bit. Check up on those Microsoft longs. Looking healthy as can be. Nice little recovery day to day for the stock itself. Check up with Jumia. Kind of bit on the downtrend. We're down about $1.60 from open. Would have been nice to take profit, but we still have a lot of time. I'm gonna see if this spot holds as a whole dollar for some possible momentum back up. Another one would be AMD with news and earnings early as hell. Supposedly they were supposed to be after hours. Turns out they were pre-market. They were pretty interesting, and they did end up buying out. What was it? Xilinx, which is XLNX, I believe. Yes, sir. And they've been sideways all day, but that is a very nice jump from 112 to a high of 136. Most likely a small IV crush still in RKT. Yes. All right. So that is that. Where is the link to the account? So that is that, and I hope you guys learned and were able to absorb that. Whoops, didn't mean to type that. Let's see, going back to NEO. Yes, I am on the 1 minute time frame just because it's easier for me to read candles and direction. But I will leave it at the 5 minute for the sake of your guys' well-being. Nice little clean double bottom right there on the 5 minute. Let's see if we can get a bounce right here. If not, this stock is done. That is NEO. We are looking at RKT right now though. Looking for a bounce right here. Quick little run. Little dry bites. On the 5 minute. Definitely get some reversal action there. AMD. EA, no, that wasn't EA. Was that EA? No, that was this one. Devon Energy, same pattern as NEO. Just about. Facebook has been pretty nice. I'd love to see Neo get above 28. That'd be ideal. Gold is slipping. HD, HPQ, flipping. Nice little 8 cent reversal. J&J. This might be a good dip. If this could bounce and get potentially back above 214, we will be looking at some more upward momentum, but this could easily play out into a head and shoulders. We already got the left shoulder complete right here and the head forming right here. All we need is this left shoulder, this right side shoulder, not left. Can't even draw a straight line. There we go. That'll do. So just something to keep an eye on for Microsoft. MU, whoa there, buddy. That was a nice little pump you did there. Could go into a rising net wedge or potentially double top. I'll go ahead and skip out on that one. Netflix. Oh, Neo, we are currently on. There you go, Neo. I like that. Okay, so it's going off the flow block, but I still can't hear it. What the fuck is that? Audio. Oh, microphone plug in. So that was interesting. What if we do this one though? We get something out of this one. Oh, still nothing.
SLB.
There we go.
EPD. Gold.
Cool. I was on Starbucks, I believe. So close, but so far. Not really much I like, if I'm being honest.
GSX. SE, SE.
Definitely an interesting trade right there. Could be done. Alright. Tesla might be the lucky winner today.
CVNA.
That's what we're watching for now.
Gold. CZR.
I do have Twitter in equity though, by the way. UPS looks like a good trade.
Gold.
Definitely wait for that 171. We get a quick 80-cent scalp on that one. I do like Workday too. Set an alert on that real quick. Actually, I do have Yeti in
ZS,
equity that I bought around
GDOC,
49.
ZS, GDOC, ZS, ZS.
ZS. Ooh, it's falling off that wall. ZS has actually been pretty good. I'm actually gonna add that to my watch list. Yes.
ZS, ZS.
Some more downfall. Yeah. Definitely something might be worth shorting. But I feel like she's fallen a lot since then. Since the last pullback. I did hear TDOC though.
ZS.
Fuck. Excuse me. Alright, RKT is still holding itself pretty fine right here. I don't see any reason to cut yet. If you are worrying about cutting, just keep a mental stop at 0.25, 25 cents premium. You'll be chilling with that. Went to Neo earnings.
LYFT, LYFT.
Over 10. They're gonna fucking smash those earnings. 100%. Tesla's already passed. Tesla's so fucking choppy and ugly. Holy shit. What did you say? What stock did it just say?
CZR. 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 CZR.
There goes RKT. RKT recover that. Not gonna cap. Definitely needs to hold that support. How's the 15-minute looking? Not mean to do that. Where's it at with the TMA? So it's actually trading below that now.
XLNX.
Guess she has to recover in these next two candles or she's out, huh? XLNX. Ooh, I like that actually. I like that a lot. I would like for this candle to close with that kind of upward momentum. Above 124 would be a good buy. This. Whoops, this is XLNX, RKT. See, that just doesn't look good for RKT, you know what I mean? That's a pretty fat candle right there. That's just begging for more downtrend. I do see this right here though. 2 cents away. Let's see how it reacts to that.
FISV.
I think I have stock in this one. That's what it said, right? Must have heard that wrong. Alright, I guess I heard that one wrong.
LYFT, 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 LYFT. WKHS.
That's Workhorse and Lyft. We'll check out Lyft first. Not too hot. Workhorse. Actually, this does look like it has some more downfall in it. I'm not gonna cap. That is a lot of downfall. Whoops. Workhorse is also looking hella bloody.
SFIX.
Okay, it looks like the market is kind of pulling back right now. So with that being said, I'm gonna close out RKT rather than waiting out for that 0.25. Save myself some cash. And I'm out at 0.30 for a $6 loss per contract. And alerts.
FISV, FISV, FISV. CZR.
UPS, so close but so far.
CZR. WKHS, WKHS, CZR, CZR.
How can I hear it? Alright, let's see if this works. Give me 1 second. Oh, that won't work. Okay. Whatever, I guess I'll have to wait. And just go back into this one.
CZR, 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 CZR.
Damn, son. That's a bloodbath. For sure. Might just make this final scalp on SPY. Sideways all day, though.
XLNX.
XLNX again. Alright. Okay, there it is. Honestly, I really like XLNX on the reversal here. I'm thinking of prematurely taking a entry here. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna keep a high stop loss on this one. Other than that,
XLNX
I'm taking
VHC.
a premature entry. There you go. Picked up a few out the money ones. The 128 strikes at 89 cents a piece. Gonna pick up some at the money ones as well. Pen. Oh, I've been wanting to trade Pen all fucking day, man.
FISV, FISV. FIX. LYFT, LYFT. MGM, 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 CZR, CZR.
So that's a premature entry I'm taking on XLNX. Not the safest, but it is something that I am very comfortable with taking into tomorrow. I mean, end of day.
LYFT.
Hey Google, shuffle,
Pen,
slippage,
Pen,
village,
CZR, 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 LYFT, LYFT, XLNX, LYFT, LYFT. Pins.
Okay Google,
V.
Lower
GS,
volume to
GS,
5
pins,
points.
V, V, GS,
Okay, that's really low. Hey Google,
GS,
lower
GS,
volume to 1 point.
V, GS, V, V, low, E, E, CHWY,
Come on. Give me that pump. Drink some water.
WFC, 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 WFC,
Whoops. Let's see. Contract limits.
pins, TWLO,
delta per contract, stop loss per trade.
AIG. CZR, CZR, CZR. Snap. FSLY.
Wow, look at Neo go. There it is, Tesla. There's that power hour, baby. Look at that. Just gotta wait for that to close. Somebody that's a 15-minute candle shade.
AMD.
Oh, we gotta wait 5 more minutes on that one. You know what? It's worth it though.
NKE. SPG. TIF. CZR, 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 AMD, CZR, 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 MA, LYFT, CZR, 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 MGM,
Come on, Tesla.
MGM, 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 CHWY,
Okay, second time I've heard Chewy. I'm gonna check it out.
CZR,
It's not bad. It looks good. It looks healthy.
TWLO, 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 AMD, TWLO, 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 TWLO,
I heard you. I heard you.
TWLO, 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 pen, pen,
I forgot about Pen. I am bullish on it though. Might grab that dip right there if I'm being quite honest. Just want to see this candle close out. I'll wait 15 more minutes for pen. Before I grab some decent longs on it. Been bleeding for about. Been bleeding for a couple days now. Since the 16th is when it started its downfall, but prior to that, oh no, it started way before that. Started in the beginning of October. Last day of September is when it started its downfall. Might still be wrong on that one. Let me just pull up the fucking 1 hour chart. So it's been bleeding for a while now.
CZR.
Been going on for a solid month now.
RTX. RTX. RTX.
If that's
RTX.
an RKT,
RTX.
that would have been nice.
RTX.
Raytheon? Yo, hold on. I could have sworn this used to be one hell of a pricey stock.
RTX.
Its high is 90. Dude, this is a fucking equity still right here. Look at this growth prior to the crash. Bro, there's some solid growth prior to the crash. Definitely gonna pick up some equity. Honestly, I'm gonna just start sizing in equity right here. Personal equity buy for those who are watching the stream.
Excel.
There he goes. RTX. Raytheon Tech Corp.
Gold.
Sell off some of these. Grab some tomorrow. And some of these.
WKHS.
RTX. There you go.
MDT. RTX. MO. 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 Z. MDT.
Yeah, I should really playing with my feelings right now. Can't cap about that.
Gold. Gold. CZR. 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 WKHS. WKHS. CZR. WKHS. CZR. ZS. DS. RTX. ZS. WKHS. 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 WKHS,
She don't stop.
WKHS, WKHS, RTX, XLNX, XLNX, RTX, RTX, ZS,
RTX is actually a
RTX,
really nice stock to
RTX,
buy long term, equity wise, considering its growth
SPG,
prior
SPG,
to COVID crash has
SPG,
been ridiculous.
SPG.
Damn it, bro.
CZR, CZR, CZR. WKHS.
I don't want to swing this stock at all, but it's not like it doesn't have room for more downfall. Which, if we don't get above 124, is
CZR.
exactly what will happen. I'm gonna put a stop loss right here. Just move it to 123 to be honest. That's a 1 minute trading.
CZR.
That 1 minute is stupid bearish. But going off of this,
WKHS.
we should
WKHS.
catch some support
WKHS.
right around
WKHS. WKHS.
here.
WKHS. WKHS.
I want to see
WKHS.
what workhorse is up to.
WKHS. WKHS.
Damn.
WKHS. INTC. INTC.
That's no bueno, man.
INTC. 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 Cobb. UAL, INTC, UAL, 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 UAM, UAL, UAL, RTX, UAL, UAL, UAL,
Sheesh.
ZS,
That was a
BA,
massive
BA, BA,
sell off.
BA, BA, BA,
Jeez.
WKHS, RTX, WKHS, 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 WKHS,
Sheesh, man.
WKHS, TWLO, ZS, TWLO,
That's what I like to
TWLO,
see.
ZS,
Too bad it doesn't know how to hold. Oh, that's a huge doji though.
WKHS,
Strong bounce.
WKHS, 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 CZR, WFC, CVNA, CVNA,
So we're right at that time where volume starts kicking in. For those who were here at the beginning of the stream, you can start seeing that it is starting to push up, but we do have a lot of momentum on both sides, bearish and bullish. Right now our main focus is Twilio, or not Twilio, fuck, Xilinx. Xilinx, however you want to pronounce it. Twilio has had some bloodshed, but it looks like it's starting to reverse right there, and that looks like that could have been the dip to buy. We got the crossover on 1 minute. It looks like we're about to cross over on the 5 minute and on the 15 minute. It looks like we still have quite some time to go before we get those EMAs to cross over and that candle above the 21 EMA to use and hold as a crutch or a support, whatever you want to go by. And there goes Neo breaking that alert for, I believe, what might have been 28. Why didn't it go on? Where is it at? See what we got for hot list. There it is. Oh, that's where a trend bond. What the hell is that at though, man? Oh, it didn't alert. I'm pretty sure it was across for. It looks like it was the high of day, or no? What was it for? Why did I have it that high? I guess just I had it at 27.95. So that I got alerted when it was like inching its way towards that 28 wall. We do have the major resistance there, so let's see what happens.
MLCO.
I would like to see more volume pick up and stay consistent with this trend up right here that we have. But if we get it to get above its volume average, then that would be pretty solid. Which it looks like it's currently is trading above that, or was at least. So we just need to maintain that. This 5 minute candle is looking strong and healthy
WKHS.
with 1 minute left on it.
WKHS. WKHS.
Xilinx is still having troubles, it looks like. But that's alright.
XLNX.
This is where it has to bounce.
WKHS. CZR. WKHS. WKHS.
That is the bounce we need to see.
CZR. CZR.
And make sure it continues to hold.
ENPH. AMD. PEN. MO. ZS. ORCX.
Only reason I haven't entered Tesla yet is because it is
CZR.
extremely choppy.
CVNA.
I'm not
WKHS.
saying
WKHS.
XLNX isn't. I
WKHS.
definitely am saying
WKHS.
it is easier to track.
CZR.
Down $12 on one,
CZR.
down $20 on the other.
WKHS. 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 CZR. CZR, CZR, CZR. ETSC, WKHS. CZR, CZR, RTX, RTX, CZR, RTZR, RTZR, RTX, CZR, CZR, SE, CZR, SE, CZR, SE, CZR, SE, 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 RTX, CZR, SEZR, CZR, 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 RTX, RTX, FISV.
Hoo-wee. Let's get it, Neo. Have you guys diamond handed those?
EX,
Yeah, those motherfuckers barely at
SPWR,
1.44.
WKHS, WKHS, WKHS,
Solid hold though.
WKHS, 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 CZR, WKHS, CZR, WKHS, 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 EPD, CZR, 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 EX, EP, NIL, 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 NIO, 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 SPG, NIO, 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 SE, CZR, TXN,
There it is, not you popping off this Tesla. Once this candle closes, I'm gonna make my entry on Tesla and call it a day right there.
WKHS, 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 WKHS. WKHS, 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 WKHS. WKHS, CZR,
Come on, Xanax, get back up there, boy. That bounce on it was extremely clean, though. I won't lie about that. Tesla. That. That's what we need, I guess, huh?
FSLR,
That bounce off of that was cleaned off of that trend line was definitely neat. It looks like Tesla's gonna give us a play right here. I just don't like the volume decrease on
EP,
this. Although the 15-minute does look fine. How much I could do, I guess, huh? Ooh, there's a rejection. So I like to wait.
FISV, RTX, FISV, RTX, FISV, FISV, FISV. WKHS, RTX, RTX, RTX. UPS, UPS, MGM, UPS. UPS, 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 Mar. UPS, UPS. Hen.
I took the entry,
UPS,
got hyped off of
UPS.
JID. Looking at the momentum, how it's all are up, pushing upward, means we got some pretty nice bullish momentum going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my entry on it. I'm just gonna grab a quick one real quick. Let's give it 2 more minutes. Let's see if I can scalp the bottom of this candle though. Nah, that's as good as it's gonna get. Looking at a 430 call at 450 on Tesla.
XLNX.
Damn, Neo's going off, son. There it is. XLNX. Wow, those candles on Neo are strong as hell. Look at that. Power hour, baby. God, I love trading the market like this.
AMD. XLNX. TMUS, 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 MMM, MMM.
I want to see if RTX picked up. Not gonna cap. Oh, there it is.
ENPH. Mar, Mar, Mar. UPS. CZR. Z. TWTR. TWTR. Mar, Mar. ENPH.
Not even sweating Tesla. Really not though. Pretty comfy with the
UPS.
position. I do think that the
Mar.
9 EMA on the 15-minute definitely
Mar.
has some more
UPS.
catching up to do. But the only
Mar.
thing that's gonna pull that up is upward movement, which is what it's currently
UPS.
doing right now.
UPS. Mar.
This just needs to squeeze the 21 EMA really quick out here for a quickie.
FSLY. AMD. WKHS.
I want a quick scalp on this so I could get out and get going. On 24.15. About 1200. I might call it with that, to be honest.
DD, DDD, DDD, DD, pen, DD.
I need to find a long sleeve.
EBBY.
Neo's just really strong right now, and I think that's what's really gonna pull Tesla through. Well, that's the first target to hit, so time to trim.
CHWY. DD, 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 DD. XLNX, FDX, VLO. ENPH, ENPH.
Yo, she is pumping like no other, bro. That was a beautiful trade. With that being
AMD.
said, I am going to call it on this stream and just watch it on my own and just keep you guys
BLO,
updated through Varvis,
CZR.
SMS, chat, whatever. But hopefully you guys did enjoy the stream and maybe got some knowledge and observed how I do my technical analysis throughout the day. To keep up with my charts and my trades just to make sure I don't get faked out like we almost did right here on XLNX, but we held it for the bounce right here. And that's exactly what I said we needed and I was hoping for in order to get that breakout, and that's exactly what we did, even though we entered prematurely around this area. Solid trade. We are approaching our next trim level of 125.10.
RTX.
With that being said, hope you guys have an amazing day and we're able to take some profits with me on my trades today. Starting the day off with NEO and XLNX, now with holding Tesla and XLNX in a break-even position with a trim for profits already. With that being said, happy trading, and don't forget to do something productive for the rest of your day. I don't know. Just have a good fucking day.